And this is part one of fixing this chimney. The first thing we're doing is we're putting caps on the clay chimney part. And that's because we have birds that come in there in the spring, and we'll put these caps on so no birds or animals get in there. These were the cheapest ones you could buy on Amazon. I think they were 30, 40 bucks. And they fit the 13 by 13 inch clay cap. And once again, all the products like the chimney cap and the crown sealer, I'll put links to them in the description in case you want to check them out. The other thing I'd point out is I bought a harness and a rope from Amazon too. The harness was under 20 bucks. The rope was 20 or 30 bucks. And that's because our roof at the gutter is 20 feet up and at the chimney is about 30. And I really don't want to fall off of here when I'm climbing the ladder, climbing another ladder. But if I do, I want this harness, so hopefully it'll stop me from falling off the edge. So I'm going to put the next one on there right now. So here you can see how the chimney cap goes on. I thought these tabs on the inside had to be folded down, but they actually set it at the right height. So you want it up near the top, and then you just tighten down these 4 screws on the side as much as they'll go. And that's it. And it's locked in there pretty well. You know, I can't. Once they bite in, the little screws will bite into the clay chimney. But no, the little tabs that are folded up, just hold it right up there at the lip, and then you can tighten this down. So that's the first one. Now to do the second one right here. And again, in case you're wondering, these are 13 by 13 on the outside. So here's the second one. And you just set it on there like that. And if it sets too high, you can kind of bend these tabs down. But that should be good. You kind of center it on there. And then I'm using a 10mm socket. I think it's a little loose. You could probably use a 7/16. It also has a flat blade screwdriver. But really up here on the roof, it's going to be hard to mess with. So you just take a socket and tighten them all down evenly until they bite in to the side there. So I'll stop there and then keep going all the way around. But yeah, it's pretty easy to just tighten these things down and it locks it in place pretty well. So that's part one. The next part's going to be sealing this cracked chimney cap.
Well, I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button on this side. You can also check out all the videos I've done, the playlist from things I've built, things I've fixed, home repair, 3D printing. And on this side, you can check out a recommended video similar to the one you just watched. And as always, down in the description, I'll put a link to my blog, which has more pictures and more information about the video you just watched. Thanks.